target speaker. The purpose of this project is for the member to practice writing and delivering a speech that inspire others. The purpose of the speech is for the member to inspire the audience. Timer, please note the timing is 5 to 7 minutes. All the very best to the target speaker. Let me get inspired by you. Over to the Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Satya, the member of Captain's team. Now, it's time to invite the first mesmerizing player, the first prepared speaker, none other than the most energetic and enthusiastic and more joyous Toastmaster Gurubaran. I invite you to mesmerize our total team with your speech. Over to you, Toastmaster Gurubaran.
Thank you, TMOD. A very warm welcome and good evening to all the fellow Toastmasters and to my evaluator Toastmasters, ma'am. A very warm welcome and good evening. And I am Toastmaster Gurubaran and I am going to deliver a speech on the topic, Progress Makes a Man Perfect. Yeah, you heard it right. It is progress makes a man perfect. So what is progress? A simple definition. Just a forward or onward movement in order to achieve a particular goal or to reach a particular destination. It is called progress. But let me explain this concept of progress by using an ice cube analogy. So consider that you are sitting in an air-conditioned room and an ice cube is placed in front of you on a table. Now you switch off the air conditioner. What happens? The room temperature starts to rise. So when the room temperature starts to rise from 25 degrees Celsius, 26, 27, 28, but the ice cube remains as ice cube, it doesn't melt. But then the temperature still increases up to 31 degrees Celsius, the ice cube did not melt. But when the ice cube reaches a temperature of 32 degrees Celsius, ice cube starts to melt. See, a 1 degree shift of temperature, which makes no sense at all, but it has caused a great impact, the change of matter of the ice cube into water. So this is called the plateau of latent potential. The state of ice cube from the temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius is called latent potential, the plateau of latent potential, which many of us fail to understand in our life. Many of us, we do make some progress. We do so many work to achieve some goal, but we don't get the result. That is all due to this plateau of latent potential. But when we cross this plateau of latent potential, we are going to have a very big victory. But many people fall into the valley of disappointment because they don't understand this concept of plateau of latent potential. Hence, we should be very courageous and be progressive, like how an ice cube changed into a water, soft melt in just 1 degree change in temperature. Similarly, we have to work more harder till we attain our desired result. We should not get disappointed, and that is how the plateau of latent potential teaches us. Now, coming to the process involved in achieving progress. There are 4 processes: shifting mindset, consistency, then tracking the progress. The last one is adapt. So first one is shifting the mindset. If you want to get a desired physique, we should be very committed to a routine. We should wake up early in the morning and go to gym and start to work out. That is the first step towards achieving a progress. So we have to be committed, and hence that demands a change in mindset. The second one is consistency. Now we have set a commitment and we have set a routine. Now it's time to practice it consistently. The third one is tracking the progress. So it's very, very important, because progress builds momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence gives you the strength to achieve success. Hence, tracking the progress is very, very essential. The last one is adapt. Many of us are in the perfect mindset. We always aim to do in a perfect manner. But when we don't do it in a perfect way or the way we expect, ultimately it leads to disappointment. So hence we have to learn to adapt to the situation in which we have to focus only on progression, but not on the perfection. Now, let me share one of my progress story. I haven't taken even a single push-up since July, since 2000, since my birth year. But I started my fitness journey on July 15th, 2021. And I started and I had a very strong determination to do at least one push-up. But utterly I failed to make one push-up. Then my friend asked me to take a knee push-up, keeping knees on the contact of the floor, and asked me to do that. But okay, I succeeded in doing only 2 knee push-ups a day. Then, but by the constant commitment, dedication, and motivation rendered by my friends, I started to do 10 knee push-ups by September 15th. Then I also started to do 20 knee push-ups a day in the month of September 30. Today, the time is October 15. Now my friend asked me, you are doing a knee push-up in a very good form and very good manner. Why can't you try the standard regular push-up without keeping knees on the floor? Then I told, try, why not? So let me try. I tried determination and I started to do 15 regular push-ups today. So I think this is how I progressively succeeded in doing a perfect push-up. Hence, progress helped me to take a successful push-up. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, he will explain about the concept called 1% rule. Can you see the board? So in this 1% rule, he says, if we improve 1% each day in a year, we are going to get a massive result in the end of a year. On the other hand, if we get worse by 1% each day in a year, we are going to face a very big failure at the end of the year. He explained and proved this fact using a mathematical concept. If we multiply 1 to the 1 raised to the power 365 times, the result is going to be 1. No improvement, no improvement. Whereas when we multiply 1.01 to the power of 365 times, the result is 37. Whereas when we subtract 1% of 1, that is 0.09, we are going to get 0.03. The result is below 0. Hence, 1%, if we try to focus on improving 1% daily in a year, in the very next year, we are going to be better 37 times more than we are currently now. So hence, we shall progress in such a way to improve 1% each day and get better in the next year. Slow progress is better than no progress. So don't give up, be courageous, and all the best for your endeavors. Thank you so much. Over to the TMOD.